Hi everyone, welcome to GK Moon.
Which is the tallest waterfall in the world? Angel Falls, Niagara Falls, Victoria Falls. Correct answer is Angel Falls. Angel Falls is located in which country? Brazil, Venezuela, Peru. Correct answer is Venezuela. Which waterfall is known as the smoke that thunders? Victoria Falls, Guasu Falls, Teti Falls. Correct answer is Victoria Falls. Niagara Falls is situated on the border of which two countries? USA and Canada, USA and Mexico, Canada and Brazil. Correct answer is USA and Canada. Which is the widest waterfall in the world? Cone Falls, Niagara Falls, Victoria Falls. Correct answer is Cone Falls. Which waterfall is considered the largest by volume of water flow? Niagara Falls, Boyama Falls, Victoria Falls. Correct answer is Boyama Falls. Tungila Falls, one of the tallest waterfall, is in which country? South Africa, Australia, Russia. Correct answer is South Africa. Which continent has the highest number of waterfalls? South America, Africa, Asia. Correct answer is South America. Which waterfall is located in Yosemite National Park, USA? Yosemite Falls, Havasu Falls, Shoshone Falls. Correct answer is Yosemite Falls. Which waterfall is known for its unique horseshoe shape? Niagara Falls, Victoria Falls, Guasu Falls. Correct answer is Niagara Falls. Which is the tallest waterfall in India? Jog Falls, Kunjikal Falls, Duandar Falls. Correct answer is Kunjikal Falls. Kaitour Falls, one of the world's most powerful waterfalls, is in which country? Guyana, Venezuela, Brazil. Correct answer is Guyana. Which waterfall is found in Iceland and known for its power? Gullfoss, Seljaland Foss, Skoga Foss. Correct answer is Gullfoss. Which of the following is not a real waterfall? Angel Falls, Rainbow Falls, Red River Falls. Correct answer is Red River Falls. Which famous waterfall is located in Norway? Langfossen, Sutherland Falls, Hoka Falls. Correct answer is Langfossen.
To daily learn GK question and answer, subscribe now.